Hi, hello and welcome to Ceylon Food Court. Hi guys, today we are going to make a banana oil cake. And guys, if you are still not with the Ceylon Food Court family, please do subscribe, like and click on the bell icon. And guys, the first thing to do is take all your jaggery, put it into a pan, pour some water to it, not a lot guys, enough amount only as required, and heat it up. And make sure all your jaggery is being well mixed and dissolved in that water. For your smell, you can add one or two cardamom in that very jaggery. It's entirely dissolved. Now the second part is we need, and the other things is flour, rice flour, semolina or known as rulang, baking powder and a pinch of salt. And we have a bit of ghee for frying guys. Now first thing to do is take a bowl, put all your banana. I have just taken one big banana only guys, and you will have to take a fork or a beater and beat it up well. And when it is entirely beaten guys, halfway through you add all your mixed jaggery into it, and again you can mix it up well. Either guys you can mix it up well with your hand or a beater, or the easiest way is to put it into a blender and blend it up well. And guys, to that mixture you add your flour, rice flour, and also the semolina or known as rulang, baking powder and a pinch of salt. And also guys, why we add baking powder is to make it soft. Either you can add baking powder and keep it for 1 hour after you mix it up very well, or without baking powder also you can just mix it up very well and keep it for 4 hours time. While mixing guys, if you think it is too thick, then you can add a little water to it and mix it up well. It must be a soft thick batter just like this. When this is done guys, keep for an hour or two. Without baking powder you can keep for about 4 hours time, and take a cookie pan, apply some oil, or I am taking over here ghee. Either you can use ghee or oil, that is not a problem. Add oil to it and then pour your mixture and you fry it up. And remember guys, oil or ghee, it must not be too much. A little is more than enough, because this oil cake is not too oily. We do not need too much of oil. And when it is cooked, you can just flip it over after about 3 to 4 minutes time. And after flipping it over guys, again for another 3 to 4 minutes time, when it is entirely done, you can just check. You can use a fork or the stick which comes with this pan, and when it is done guys, you can just serve it as you like. Now you can see guys, I have done this many just with one banana. Thank you very much guys. See you in another video.